Good morning campers and welcome to today's episode on our Volkswagen T25 Super Viking. Today we're going to be having a look at taking the half shafts out, we're going to be repairing some bodywork that needs doing in the engine bay, and we're also going to be taking out and having a good look at what's going on with our ducting. So now that the engine's been lacquered, we're going to give it a couple hours to rest. Well, we're going to give it a couple hours to dry, not to rest. It's not the engine, is it? That had the engine. Now that we've sprayed the gearbox with lacquer, we're going to give it a couple hours to dry. So we thought, why not get underneath the van and take out them tired old half shafts. I mean, they are going to be tired. They're 40 years old. If you're not tired after 40 years, you're obviously on something. So we're going to get them out, do the rubbers, and just give them a general clean.
You might be able to, that might be on a circlip actually. Probably is, to be fair. Yep, there's the circlip. So what we do is we take the circlip off and then we'll take this joint along with that, the whole thing off it. And there's your CV boot there. Because these, the CV boots, come with this metal on it as well. So that's the new CV boot. So essentially your CV joint is this bit here. So you're only actually going to change, get rid of all that crap up here. So that is your CV joint in there. Okay, well this is just full of, you can hear it. Yeah, that's all sticky old grease, probably full of gravel and grit and stuff. And because the actual thing's split anyway, that's going to thank you massively for cleaning it all out.
See it all congealed.
Yeah. Gotta be careful with them because if you pull them apart,
it looks like it's going to fall apart.
It does. They do. So what we'll do, we'll once we've got this off, I'll put a tie wrap round it and hold it all together, and that's that done. Then and we get the other side off as well. Doesn't it? You want to grab your circuit pliers and find the two holes that we should have in there. Look at the state that's absolutely filthy in there. Jesus Christ! And then try and find your circlip in there.
Yeah.
Can you see it? And then you want to go in vertically on that. Have you moved it now? Come on.
I lost it.
Yeah, they're too jump right. Yeah, there it is. Is that it there? Yeah, that's the one. Well, you can force one that way if you want to. Won't hurt. Oh, I just need a flat blade screwdriver. No, grab us a flat blade. Okay, if you separate it, fine. Just stay exactly where you are. There you go, peach. That comes off. So that is not a circlip as such. That is now what we call a C-clip. So a circlip has got holes in it. A C-clip is just a letter, is just a C, which that is. There's no holes in it. So it's what we call it, or you could call it a snap ring, to be honest with you. So that can go in there, Now then, I'll hold that one, the bottom of that. If you tap that with an hammer, I might be able to hold it. You go. Might be able to hold it. It might come apart.
We have to just
tap the shaft at the centre.
What's it doing?
No.
Is it?
No, I didn't think it would. No, not yet. Let's push that down there. Out of harm's way. So we don't want that in there. Right, so get a screwdriver and knock that cog at the back.
Okay.
Okay, just tap that down. Just tap it straight down.
You go very off, do it.
Come on, let's go in. You're 3/4 away off. There you go. So, best thing to do with that now, just keep that one there, get a tie wrap. Just put a tie straight to the middle. Don't matter, just put straight to the middle of it and pull that up tight. There you go. That will stop that falling apart. We really don't want that to fall apart. It's an absolute pain to put back together. So that's that one done. Lovely. One down, 3 to go. So what you can say now, look. So this is the piece that was in there. This is the piece that was in there, so we just cut that out. So we just need to bend that piece back up a little bit, I think. Sorry.
It's alright. Ah, found the ruler.
There you go, take it away.
It was behind all that cardboard that we used it on.
So I'll just straighten that out a little bit. That can go into there. So we want to get the valve as well. Oh, bollocks, I don't know what's still oh, I think it's snapped, does it? That's interesting. Okay, that might be an issue when we're going to put that back together. That came off too easy. I think it's screwed on, but we'll have to find a way of fixing that.
There's a bit of cleaning, though, that one.
It should come out actually. Should. Well, it's designed to. Just give it a twist. See what we do there?
It's wiggling rather than twisting.
Let's just try this then. We're going to do that one as well. You've got to be super careful with this stuff because it'll rip. It's only cardboard. It's full wrapped cardboard.
Which bit's the cardboard, these pipes?
This.
Ah, that's the corrugated stuff.
It's that corrugated stuff, yeah. So that should.
That's how twisting
come off. That should come off from there. Right.
Can we not just get some insulated ducting?
Well, you can do. Which is like 4 inch or something. Can you get that? This stuff.
That, yeah. That's just what you use off the extractor fans.
Okay.
3.5.
That might come in useful. So that bracket there, look. Oh, hang on a second. So I don't think that's a join there. Right, the join.
One piece, yeah.
That goes straight onto that. This was holding that bracket. Look, so that is how that's held. Basically, with that. Although it wasn't, I don't think it's actually on it. It kind of thing, because I only just loosened it off, and that they're going to go back on there, aren't they? So we need to just untwist that from there. Just keep twisting.
Is it not this? There's like a bit of a manifold back here.
Yeah.
Is it not that?
No, it just comes out. That does. This piece comes out of there.
It's not twisting.
No, it's going to be bloody tight. That is. Right. Is there a? Grab us a knife, and I'll just cut this. And we'll have to just be careful. We can stretch it and gain a bit. We need to get that out of there. So
there's fibres over there, mate.
and there's what?
Fibres.
That's right. It's going to be this one. Right, okay. That's kind of bad news, really, because that's double skinned. Okay, so we've got to get that off there. That's okay. Let's get that off there. I've released it. Right, that should now. Right, it's going to go back up there, and you should be able to pull that back out of there now.
Still already twisting, is it?
No, it don't want to come out there, does it? Just pull him out that way. Just pull it towards you. I mean, it's there. It just ain't quite there, you know. Alright, let's just see if I can just cut it a bit more and just release it. It's got to go in a minute. Right, that's let go now. That should just pull out now, mate. Go on. Go on. We're at the end of the pipe, so it's something to handle holding now. There we go. There you go. So we can fix that, because that'll stretch. That'll stretch the 2 inches that we've just ruined.
And what is this?
That's your hot air.
Oh, yeah, to your heat ducts.
That's your heater.
So that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching, and stay tuned to see where we get with the van. Ta-ra!